Good morning students. Today we will discuss about physical properties of non-metals. We will compare the properties of non-metals with metals. So uh, first we will start by taking some examples of non-metals. Carbon, the different forms of carbon, that is graphite, diamond, then coal, sulfur, iodine, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. All these are the examples of non-metal. Non-metals either exist in solid state or gaseous state, but there is exception that bromine exists in liquid state. Then activity is there, 3.7 activity, which says that collect sample of carbon, coal and graphite, sulfur and iodine, then carry out the activities 3.1 to 3.6 with these non-metals and record your observations. That you will check their malleable behavior, ductile behavior, sonorous behavior, whether they conduct electricity or not, they are conductor of heat or not. So here one column is taken in which we are writing coal, graphite, sulfur, iodine, and here the symbols that for coal and graphite they are made up of carbon. So carbon is written capital C, for the sulfur it is capital S, for iodine it is capital I. Types of surface, whether luster is there or not. In case of coal there will be no luster, graphite no lustrous surface will be there, sulfur no lustrous surface, but in iodine surface is lustrous. Then hardness, coal is hard, we know that. Graphite, graphite is used in the lead, that is called lead pencil, so graphite is also hard. Sulfur and iodine, they are not hard. Then malleability, all these are not malleable at all, even they are not ductile, they are not good conductors of heat. Electricity, graphite is a good conductor of electricity, this is the exception. Then sonority, that is sonorous behavior, when we will strike surface of non-metal with some hard thing, then there will be no sonorous, it means no sound will be produced such that which is produced in case of metals. So all these are not sonorous. So from here we can conclude that all metals except mercury, exception, this is the exception, all metals except mercury exist as solid. Mercury exists in liquid state. Metals having high melting point and boiling point except gallium and cesium, these two having low melting point, these two melt even when you will keep them on your palm. That even what is our body temperature, even at that temperature they will, so even at body temperature these two metals will exist in liquid state. The next is iodine, is a non-metal but it has lustrous, it has lustrous surface. Then carbon is a non-metal that exists in different forms. It means only carbon element will be present but in different arrangements, and that type of forms in which carbon exists in different arrangement, they are called allotropes. The examples of allotropes of carbon, diamond, coal, graphite, these are the allotropes. Diamond is as I have already told you, that is the allotrope of carbon. It is the hardest material which exists in nature. It has very high high melting and boiling point. Graphite is another allotrope of carbon which is good conductor of electricity. Then alkali metals, for example lithium, sodium, potassium. Generally metals are hard, but the alkali metals, lithium, potassium, sodium, these are soft, that you can cut these metals with knife. Okay, so it was all about the physical properties of uh, non-metals, that we compared the properties of non-metals with metals. So it was all about for today. Thank you and have a nice day.